Good morning, students. Today we will solve exercise 10D, page number 163. So, in this exercise, we will solve addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division of weights like kilogram and grams. So, very similar method we have followed as earlier in exercise like 10A and 10B. Same type of methods we will follow. We will arrange the weights like vertically in two columns and then add them separately as we did with the kilometer and meter. So that's the process we have to follow, okay? And nothing anything extra is there. Already the same only unit is changed, okay? So here number 1 is to add. So here number B I am going to solve 75 kg. So let's solve number B. 1 number B. It is given 75 kg. So first you write there 75 kg and write it separately, okay? 75 kg, or you can this kg you can write this kg you can write here upside also, okay? As your in your example it is given also in the same way you can write also, or either you can follow this type of. Now 375 gram, okay? And we have to add next number, that is 132. So 132, that is kg, okay, and 960 gram, and these two we have to add, okay? So here you can place the 0 because there is no any digit at the 100th place, 100 place, so you can put the 0 there. Now you can add. So here you can see gram plus gram, so gram. So 5 plus 0, okay. Here I done in the question it is given, here I have done mistake. It is here actually 357, okay? Here is 5 and 7, okay? 357, okay? Now 7 plus 0, 7, 6 plus 5, 11, carry 1, 9 plus 1, 10 plus 3, 13. So 13 will be there, okay? But this 13 we will not write because 3 digit we will write for the gram, okay? Or actually the concept. So 1370, and you have to convert in the kilogram, so divide by 1000. So of course the point will be 1.317. So this part will be the gram and this part will be the kilogram, okay? So this will be go to the next part. It will be went for the carry, it will be given as a carry. So it means this part you will not write there only because this part will come here for as a carry, okay? So this will become as a carry. So here is only 317, don't write this one there, okay, because this come for the carry. Now kg you will write here because now term for the kg. Now add it. So 7 plus 2, 5 plus 2, 7, and that carry 1, so that will be 8, okay? Because we have the carry also, carry come from there also, 8. Now 7 plus 3, 10, carry 1, so 112. So your answer is 208 kg 317. So here you can write separately 208 kg and 317 gram. So your answer is this, okay? When you will add, so in this way you have to add, okay? Now next question, number B, you have to number 2 subtract, okay? So here again I am going to solve number B. So subtract, that is number 2, question number B. So subtract from, so we have to, that is means we have to subtract in 731 kg 30 gram to 725 kg and 650 gram. So let's do it. 731, that is kg, okay, and it will be 30 gram, okay? Now next number 725 kg, okay, and it is 650 gram. So here is no any digit for the 100 place, so you can put the 0. Now we have to subtract. Now this gram plus gram, so here is 30 and here is 630. Can we subtract? No. So it means we will take the borrow. So we'll take the borrow from where? We will take the borrow from here. So here will be 730, here will be 730, and 1 come will borrow here. Okay, so 1, what 1 will come? 1 kg will come at this side. So in 1 kg, how many gram? In 1 kg, we know that in 1 kg how many gram? 1000 grams. So this side borrow will come, actually 1000 will come as a borrow. Okay, 1000 will come as a borrow, and already 30 is there that side, so 30 you can now add. So this will be 1030 gram. Okay, now this is 1030 gram. So in that you can subtract 650. Now you can subtract 650. So now you can subtract 650 this side, this gram. So it will be 0, 3 minus 5, so 13 minus 5, 8. So here is remaining 9, 9 minus 6, 3. So 380, we got the 380. So now you can write here 380 gram. Okay, now this part you can write kg part. Okay, so write here kg. Now here is 730 now left. So here is 725. So 0 minus 5, so 10. So 10 minus 5, 5. So this side will be 0, 0. So now your answer is 5 kg 380 gram. Okay. So likewise you have to do. Means whenever it will carry come. So here from this side, that from left side carry come 1 kg. So when we come it here, so it become 1000, and that you have to add and subtract. So this process you have to follow. Now number 3 you can see. Number 3, a box contain 12 kg 345 gram of apples, and another box contain 15 kg 231 gram of apples. What is the total weight of the apple? Means you have to add these two quantities given, and these two quantity you have to add. Okay, so simply you have to add, you can do. So number 4 you can see, the weight of a bag of sugar is 52 kg 240 gram. Okay, and another bag with 60 kg 130 gram. Which bag weighs more and why? So first of all you have to write the answer for the which bags the weight is more. So of course you can see this is the 52 kg 240, the weight of this bag 52 kg and 240 gram, and the weight of this bag you can see 60 kg 130 gram. So of course the second bag is, the weight of the second bag is more, so you can write the second bag, first answer. Okay, now second answer, by how much, means we have to subtract. Okay, so let's do the question number 4. So first answer you can write the second bag. Okay, second bag weights more. Okay, second bag weight more, you can write second bag weight more. Okay, now by how much? So difference of the weight we have to find. Okay, so now second answer, what we have to find? The difference of their weight, the difference of, okay, we have to find the difference of their weight. Okay, so we will subtract these two, okay, so their weights are given, so that two we will subtract. So first we write the values. The values is given 60 kg. Okay, another value 130 gram is there, another is 52 kg, another is 240 gram, and we have to subtract these two. Okay, now here is 130 and here is 240, we cannot subtract, so we will take the borrow. So this side from there, here it will go, so 1 kg will come this side, so 1 kg will again, so this side will come, so it will be 1000. So 1000 plus 130, because here will become 1000 gram. So these two you can add, so it will be 1130, and you can subtract now 240. So 240 you can subtract, so that will be 890. So it means this side here is now left 800. So write here 890 gram. Okay, now here you can write kg. Now you can subtract this to 59 minus 52, so that will be 7. So your answer is 7 kg 890. So the difference of the weight of their bag is 7 kg 890 gram. Got it? Okay. Now let's see the next question. Next question, number 5. Number 5, you can see the weight of package A is 2 kg 525 gram. Okay, the weight of the first bag is the packet is given. The weight of package B is twice as much as package A. It means 2 times whatever the weight is of A, the weight of B is 2 times, means multiply by 2. Okay, now package C is 1 kg lighter than the B, means whatever the weight of B, the weight A, okay, sorry, the weight of C is lighter, means minus by how much? By this quantity. Okay, so let's solve number 5. Number 5. So the weight of B, first of all we have to find. So first of all we will find the the weight of B. Okay, so the weight of B is what? So it is equals to weight of B, it is given like 2 kg, okay, and 525 gram. Okay, and 2 times, okay, 2 times means we will multiply it by 2. Okay, so multiply it. So here gram, so 2 into you can multiply 5 into 10, so 5 into 10, carry 1, 2 2 is 4 plus 1 5, carry 1, 5 2 is 10. Okay, so now this carry you don't write. Okay, so that 1 will come as a carry. Okay, so the same concept of that what we have done, that is we cannot write for this. So 2 2 is 4. Okay, 4 plus 1 5. Okay, and now this is the kg part, so this is the kg. So the weight of B is 5 kg 50 gram. Okay, so weight of B we got because it is 2 times, it is given 2 times of A. So whatever the weight, this is the weight of A, and we multiplied by 2, so this is the weight of B. Now we have to find the weight of C. Okay, so now find the weight of C. So we can get the we can find the weight of C. So weight of C is whatever the weight of B, and it is less by 1 kg 275. So subtract that number. So that is 5 kg and 50 gram is there, the weight of B, and it is less by how much? 1 kg, okay, and 275 gram. Okay, so you subtract it. So again the same method, because we cannot subtract, we will take the borrow. So this side 1 will come. Okay, here will be 4 will left there. So this side will come 1000. So 1000 plus, because 1 kg will come, so 1 kg equals to 1000 gram. So this 1000 gram, so and 50 already there, so this is 1050, and you can now subtract 275. Now you can subtract, so you will get it here 775. So 775 is the gram, so right here 775 gram. So this side is kg, so here is 4 left, so 4 minus 1 3. Okay, so that is 3 kg 775 is your answer. Okay, now next question, number 6. The weight of a bag of flour is 25 kg 342 gram. Find the weight of 8 such bags. Okay, the weight of one bag is given, and we have to find the weight of 8 bag. The weight of the one bag is given, and how we have to find the weight of 8 bags. What you have to do? Simply you can multiply it by the 8. Okay, you can multiply, you can write it like 25 kg, okay, 342 grams, and you can multiply it. Okay, and you will get the answer. Now number 7. 57 kg 408 gram of oranges are packed equally into 4 boxes what is the weight of orange in each box. So this is the weight is given, and if we have to divide in the 4 boxes. Okay, so it means we have to divide, we have to separately, we are dividing it. So first of all, it is given in the combined unit, so we will make in the common same unit. So let's number 7, this is 57 kg 408 gram. Okay, so first of all, write in the plus form. So write 57 kg plus 408 gram. Okay, now change in the smallest unit, so kg and gram. So this gram is the smallest, so change in the this gram is the smallest unit, so this kg will also change in the gram. So 57 in 1 kg 1000 gram. Okay, so multiply by 1000 plus 408 gram. So now next you can do 57 30 will be there, this is gram, 408 gram. Now you can add it, so 57 408. Okay, so this is your gram. So this is the, now after converting, this is the total weight. Okay, now it is divided into how many boxes? 4 boxes. So let's do this. Now next step, you can write weight of orange in each box. Okay, so in each box, how many boxes there is? 4 boxes. And what is the weight we got now? We got 57,408 gram. So you can divide that. So you can divide 57,408 and it is divided by 4. Okay, so now 4 1 ja 4, so it will be 170, 4 4 ja 16, so again 1. Okay, now 4 will come, so 4 3 ja 12, so right there 12 here, so 2 will be left, so 0 will come, so how many times? 5 times 20, so right here 20. Okay, now 8 will come, so 2 times 8. Okay, so here will be 2. So we got 14,352 gram. So here we got, what we got after dividing, 14,352 gram. Okay, now you can change it in the kilogram also. So you can divide it 14,352 by 1000 also. So you can write it 1, here will be the point. Okay, so it means this part is your kilogram. So you can write the next step, 14 kg and 352 gram. So that's your answer, 14 kg 352 gram. That will be in the each boxes. Okay, likewise you have to do, first of all, change in the same unit. We have what we have done, changes in the here, that's the combinedly it is given, so that is change in the means combinedly means that is given in the kg and gram, so that we change in the same unit. Okay, after changing, divided by 4, and whatever the quotient we got after that, that is in the gram. So now change in the kilogram and gram. Okay.